I am late for my work today. I will eat something outside. I need to go now.
Ryan, wait! You haven't eaten!
No time, Mom.
Be careful! I woke up early today just for my son. I made his favorite breakfast with love. I thought we would spend time together, but he ignored me and shouted at me.
I am very busy today. I have many things to do. I cannot waste my time now.
I didn't know why people are so slow today. I need to move faster. I do not have time for anything.
Good morning, Ryan. I made your favorite breakfast. Come and sit with me.
I am late for my work today. I will eat something outside. I need to go now.
Ryan, wait! You haven't eaten!
No time, Mom.
Be careful! Okay, don't shout at me. Take care of yourself today. Do not forget to rest. I will wait for you.
Mom is always irritating me for breakfast. I have an important meeting today. Everything depends on this. I must focus only on work.
What is this message now? I hope it is something important. Let me check quickly.
Mother's Day is today? I completely forgot about this. How did I forget something so important?
Oh no, my mother was smiling this morning. She made food for me, and I just ignored her and shouted her.
She always cares about me so much, and I never give her time. This feels very wrong. I have no time to buy a gift now. What should I do quickly? I need to fix this mistake.
I must find something special for her. I cannot go home empty today. I need a good idea. These gifts look very nice, but they are very expensive. I cannot buy this right now.
I do not understand what to give her. A normal gift does not feel special. I need something from my heart.
Mommy, I got you flowers.
Oh, they're beautiful, sweetie.
I love you, Mommy.
She looks so happy with just flowers. Maybe love matters more than price. I never understood this before. I think I understand something now. My mother does not need expensive gifts. She needs my time and care. I will take these flowers for her. But I want to do something more. Something truly special today.
I have another idea now. I will write something for her. Words from my heart will mean more.
I want to say thank you to her. But words feel very small right now. She has done so much for me. I cannot stay here any longer now. I understand everything clearly today. I need to go home right away. I wasted so much time before this moment, but I still have a chance today. I will not lose it again.
My heart is beating very fast right now. I feel nervous and emotional together. But I must go inside.
The house feels very quiet now. It makes me feel even more guilty. I hope she is still here.
There she is, sitting all alone now. She looks a little sad today. I caused this feeling.
I do not know how to start speaking now. But I must be honest today. This moment is very important.
Happy Mother's Day, Mom. These flowers are for you today. They are simple, but they come from my heart. Please accept them.
Mom, I am really sorry for today. I ignored your love in the morning and shouted you. That was very wrong.
I do not need anything expensive from you. Your love and time are everything to me. I feel very happy now. Kindness begins at home. Love your parents every day. Do not wait for a special day, because time is the greatest gift.